na TMC TV. My name na Omo Aduke Ajakaye. Right now, we turn out for Ring Road for Benin City. Yes, we don't carry waka enter street today for street yarn to allow the people do talk for matter when concern roads to their areas. The road to your area good, or na canoe we dey use. Now when rainy season dey, how the price of transport to your area dey be. Now make we come here today, come chook mouth for road matter. Make una join us.
Evbuotubu by Sapler Road. The road is too bad. Even at times, if it rain, motor not dey fit cross go their house, so they'll find filling station when they want park. We don't wait whether government will come repair the road. Till now, they not repair them. As I dey speak, the last rain when it fall for that road, up till now, some keke still dey inside the erosion. They not fit cross. Now only the keke drivers at times they will organize themselves. They will try carry strip of sand put for the potholes. But once rain come, it will wash all the surface away. As I speak now, the road is too bad to that extent. Even if it rains, some women when back babies, erosion they reach the weight where they back baby. So if government can look into the road, Evbuotubu by Sapler Road, may they check am, may they fix the road. The condition of that road is too bad. Unlike before, the place you can go to 100 naira, it's not 200 naira. Then the place you can go for 50 naira, at times they will tell you 100, they will tell you 150. And if you not ask why, they will tell you, so you not say as the road bad. So that's all what they are saying, not say as the road bad. Even to carry cab, now once you tell cab man say Evbuotubu Road, they'll tell you say they not they go there. Apart from keke when they junction, now only then they apply the road now. And it's times 2 of what they have been using to carry passengers. I don't do the road for over 6 years. I never see any government, I never see any officials came to inspect the road. The road has always been like that.
The road from my side, the road from my side, they don't be here. For Jesus Christ area. That side, if you go for whatever they there, they carry motor. Not the same one. Whatever they Jesus Christ, they carry motor. Talk more of the lane where they follow, or more. Children know they pass that side, though. I lie, children know they pass on. That side there, the way we take the enter transport, you get how we go reach now. Now you know, now your leg will solve your problem. Your leg will solve you go use your leg to work. I don't need motor. Your price you go to hear 500. Where they carry 100 naira, you go the price where they call you. Mostly, if they don't dark, my sister, your name now, sorry. You need to use your leg. And the girl where you go reach, for that the same place way back. So if you don't take time, your mind go there now. You will see what you not supposed to see because of the way the area today. It's how we call government, so the matter shock you. Which are who be government? Where's your government? We don't know ourselves, I beg. We don't know what you want to do. No be say we don't know what you are supposed to do. We not do it for us, I beg. You get why? We not do it for us.
Ekema Road good. For the other aspects, not really. Unlike before. Then from that our side go down, no good. From Evbuotubu side, they do the road reach half. And the Julie do a day by the second way they do for there, so it's not good because motor feet just enter there if it cause accidents. So maybe they know as they'll take cover the place. That place no good at all. That one along Ekema Road. Along Ekema Road, for the second junction there, the second police station by the side there. That one not just good at all. Maybe they try cover them. Therefore that side you abandon. They do the road reach up, they not complete them. So motor they spoil, especially if they fall, na no go area.
And they still be whole side. The road, the government don't start to do one, but for the now, the thing they on hold. So we they appeal to the government, make it try finish the road, Evbuotubu Road and Evbuotubu Road. It don't try, make it try complete them. What depends it don't start, at least you do say make it complete them. The Eke1 stroke Evbuotubu Road to barracks, so you don't start and make your try complete. If rain don't start more now, so you know will let we the pass again, and motor can increase, transport will can increase. So I beg make the we can see governor Oga Obaseki make it try come do the road for us. Abeg, na beg we do. We know the force. Abeg, make it contract the road.
I'm from Evbuotubu. I say in Evbuotubu. The road in Evbuotubu is very, very bad. The government appears that they have forgotten Evbuotubu right from the decade. So we want to appeal that they should remember Evbuotubu roads. Government, we don't have impact of the government in Evbuotubu. It's a serious matter. So they need to look into it. Very, very difficult to come out from Evbuotubu. Very, very difficult.
Transport fare dey increase.
Every day it increases because of the bad nature of the road.
Free fall. How can I continue to survive for that side?
Is you cannot imagine it. It's very, very painful to the people in Evbuotubu that for years now the government have forgotten Evbuotubu. So they should please come to our aid.
I dey stay for Owina axis for Kenwan roadside. Yes, the state of the road is very, very bad, very bad. The water where they fall, they prevent drivers from passing sometimes. Sometimes we go dip our legs from it is bad, especially that Ago area. If government still remember us, make them come tar the road, make people they drive past them well. Transport na cab we dey use sometimes. If you no see cab, now one day where I no see cab, I can't trek am, enter water. The place dey very, very bad. Make government remember us. Price of the cabs na 200 naira, don't increase. Every month they increase them.
My people, as I dey talk to you so, na my area for Ugbe now from the come when I stop so they talk. For now, to go my house for Ugbe Evbuotubu road, I don't know wetin government, wetin we just do them. From junction to Ugbe market, who wan see make e go see. As I dey talk to you, I get motor when I dey use, but now I no dey fit use am again. I stop am for house. Today mechanic, tomorrow mechanic. Now I take stop am for road. My pikin house now they go for upper side. Make I talk to you say as I dey go there so, if I no hold reach 2,000 naira, I no fit reach my house. And then they talk of say stop bike, stop this one. Now that bike or keke napep, na im wan still help me reach my pikin house for upper. The road when I dey go so na Eagle Megian for upper. Eagle Megian, na no go area na they call am now. No go area na they call Eagle Megian. No road to that place. Make we still dey beg government. We no get anything. They don't get anything when we dey call ourselves the poor masses. Now this road, if they fit give us road, give us water, give us light, now it be the happiness of we, the poor masses. We dey beg them, make them remember us.
Inside Benin for here, for Roberto here. The road clear reach our house because the Duam, when Obaseki enter in Duam, that one I can testify that. Inside Benin here, but I still dey hear of some other roads outside some areas, but if na inside Benin, in try for that.
About say road, they talk every time for news, but only when they even come, when government come that area, now when they come over this new over, now they have to come up police stone. They all come over, and if you go that road there, you know who believe what they say there, who say road, who say, before it go, after get about, okay. That road, no road for there, like, you know if you see one road for there when good. Transport, they talk that one. If you fall, I didn't 300. Just from your house, come outside for road. But if you don't fall, so can you 150, 100. But when we fall, that's 300, only price on.
True Palawani.
The road.
Yes. Adam Saliu Shomole na do that road then. But if rain still fall, some adjoining streets still they feel the heat of flood. And for my side, majorly na keke, na people they use. They no hike in price when it rains.
That means you don't really.
No. It is manageable. Some do that road then.
But government is do some
Certainly, because their journey roads not good at all.
Need to go barrack like this. The road to barrack not be say not good, the good, but the transport is very cost. The transport na dey kill our money. Transport nowadays to reach barrack na 150. Before na 100 naira, most say 18 naira, but now na 150 now. When me every dey come from so we sell 3,000 not carry me go come for estate gate here. Now we dey see the use leg take dey go so. He afraid for that one wow, we dey reach 300 because why? Our own government, so we know be say they no dey try for bet. According to this fuel issue, whether na diesel issue, I don't know why, whether na it cause all this kind of things. So, because transport you come there.
Road to my side, I dey stay Okpara. So Okpara road is right off. We no get road at all. E don tey wey we don talk to many medias, bare governors, bare honourables, even Nwonde local chairman, nothing. It doesn't even know say I go run into una this afternoon. I for record as I dey come out for house this morning. I for even send her for the more and seeing the way that road leg not dey pass, not to talk of vehicle. So we dey inside dungeon. So na so the Englishman dey call am. So we be like people where they just dump inside camp. So no road, nothing. We not see intervention from government at all. The job like say they not even count Okpara people join people where dey the state. Okpara that is off Enyai, opposite Enyai primary school. We want there no good, no road. The road is right off. If we want come out for inside us now, sometimes 100 naira 150 to come out. If you are going back 300, before we will take motor, we go carry us go to our destination. So the thing they cost us a lot. If we will swim inside the water before we finish us.
My people, this na CTMC TV, and I'm still on top of the road matter. You don't hear from our people. Some talk say their road good, government do attend to their road. While others, especially people for Evbuotubu, Okpaga, another place for Benin talk say, make government sharply come attend to the road. Say this one don't increase the prices of fares, and most of them not fit come up for their house. This na TMC TV, and my name na Omo Aluke Ajakaye.